Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Advika.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, okay, turn on your video.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. How are you, Advika?
Ma'am, I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good, thank you. So, just brief about yourself. So, what do you like, what you don't like, which is your favorite subject and which is not?
Basically, I study in Soundarya School. I live in Karnataka, Bangalore. And then my hobby is I just like to cycle. And then uh, my favorite subject is science and math.
Great.
And the subject which I don't like is Kannada.
Okay. Okay, why? Because of the, grammar or something, matras and all?
No, that's just because it's like a bit difficult to understand.
Okay, what about Hindi? Do you like that?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah, okay, okay. So, how will you be asking my name in Hindi?
आपका नाम क्या है?
Okay, great. Okay, great. So you're good in that, right? Okay. So in science, which chapter do you like most? Like I think now almost the year is over, right? So which chapter you liked?
1 second. I like magnets and magnetism,
Okay. So
water.
could you tell me, Advika, how the magnet was, discovered?
There was a Greek shepherd. So one day took his olives and then he went to a farm or some place, and
Hmm.
over there he sat on a very blackish rock. And then when he saw that his stick, the stick which he takes with him, that stick's some edge was attached to the rock. So that guy used to live in Magnesia, which is now in Greece.
Hmm.
Then when he discovered that, like when that thing got attached to that, then he got scared or what happened. Like he like that somewhat happened, and then magnet was discovered. Many people think that the magnet was discovered from his name Magnus, or where does he live, Magnesia.
Correct, absolutely correct. So this was a whole story kind of thing wherein uh, that boy actually he discovered, but earlier he was just falling down because the stick was not able to stand upright. So what he did, he just took the iron kind of thing, iron rod kind of thing, and he just put it on the one end of the stick, and which was holding the other part of it. So that was a like whole story, which is correct. Okay. Apart from the fun and magnets, like or the magnetism, which else chapter do you like?
Um, Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Um, charger कहाँ है मम्मा? Okay.
Yeah. Tell me which what else chapter do you like?
I like, wait a minute. Yeah. I like light, shadows, and reflections, measure,
Okay.
measurement of motion and distance,
Okay.
body movements, living organisms and their surroundings.
Which
Um,
chapter don't you like?
I don't like. mm, I don't like food. Where does it come from? Fiber to fabric, because
Oh,
that's not there in my syllabus, so I don't know what's there in that.
okay, okay. Basically, those chapters are like very, very, very quite easy, and those, these are the basic chapters. And what are the chapters you have told related to the physics, motion, maybe measurement, living organisms, body movements? They're a bit complicated chapter, but yes, though interesting chapters as well. All right. So I just called you some, I think, 10 or 15 minutes earlier before the class. So just wanted to know about you something like how you are, what subject do you like, what all things you like. And if I talk about cycling, slow cycling you like or fast cycling you like?
I like medium because I crashed many times.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So if you are given an opportunity that you need to either cycle or you need to go for playing, which you will be selecting? Definitely, I think cycling.
Both.
Both, but you have only one and you need to select only one, not more than one.
Basically, we talk. I'll choose sometimes cycling, sometimes playing.
So what kind of game you will be playing?
Both. Indoor, outdoor, everything I play.
So do you have the friends like to play with or you'll be playing by your own?
I have so many friends.
Okay, you have so many friends. Okay, they belong to your class only or they are senior or junior?
They are also a senior and of my class, and they are also fourth or fifth.
Great. Okay, okay. It means altogether you have the different categories of, friends surrounding you. Okay, okay, okay. That's great. So what is your like thought process for the upcoming class? Now you're going to come in the grade 7, right? Maybe in a month or two. So what you have planned for yourself?
I was planning right. I just underline like
Hmm.
and learn after the chapter notes or the chapter is done, and I learn the chapter which is about to be start in whichever subject.
Okay, that is a very actually very great idea that you are going to first of all read the chapter whichever chapter is going to start, right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
So reading the chapter before it starts is a very good thing. So you will be getting the idea like what all content or what all things are there, what all topics are there in that chapters. All those things will be there. So I'll just tell you something about myself. Like if I talk about myself, you know, I was like you actually. I was like you. Uh, who does not want to study much actually. Thoda thoda is enough for me, but greatly, or I can say because of my teacher in the grade 8. So earlier I was studying sometime not studying, sometime mother is asking me to study, sometime like no one is asking, I'm like enjoying my life and all. So everything is like mix in everything. So what happened, I'll tell you. I think I still remember in the grade 7, and that teacher was basically from Tamil Nadu. So he was my class teacher, and that too English class teacher, English like subject he was teaching me that time. And science was my favorite subject always, like always it was my favorite subject. And in the science I used to get out of 100, 99, 99, 99, 100 also sometimes. At the same time, maths was like, zero for me. Out of 100 I used to get just 5, 6, 7. Out of 100, imagine, out of 100 just 5, 6, 7. And sometimes if I get 15, I'll be very, very happy, though I'll be getting beating from my parents, but I used to be very happy that I got 15 out of 100. And my sister also, she was studying in the same class, and because of her I used to got so many times scolding, because in maths she was opposite. She used to get 99 out of 100 in maths, or 100 out of 100 in maths, and I was like 5, 7, 15, 12, not more than that actually. So because I was feeling like that is my capability, that is my comfort zone. I should not do more than that. I am okay with it, right? So, but I still remember that teacher, English, my class teacher, Mr. John, sir, actually. So during the PTM, and when our parents go to the PTM, always we'll be thinking like now what the teachers are going to say, how they are going to react, whether they will be saying the positive thing or whether they are going to say the negative thing, right? It happens with you also, I think, right?
Yeah.
Huh.
They say
So,
good.
yeah.
They say good about me.
Okay, that's great. That is great. Basically, for me also, they used to say good thing, but sometimes, it happens like in the maths, I used to get a lot of scolding. Science teacher will be always appreciating 19 and 100. Like, okay, she is a topper of the science and all. But maths teacher, no, never. So that teacher actually, the moment my mother she entered and my mother she asked him like, "What do you think? You have any feedback for her?" And he told one line, just a one simple line. He told like, "She is very very bright child. She is very bright girl. If she wanted to learn, if she really wanted to learn the things and all, she can reach up to sky." So that moment, that sentence, like, if she really wanted to do the something, then that in that case she will be reaching to the sky. And from that moment itself, I started learning like anything, like anything. First term, before earlier during my time, it was actually three terms. First term, second term, third term. Right now, it is not like it is like only two terms are there, right? So it was three terms during that time. First time I got 60 percentage out of 100. Second time I got 70 percentage. And third time I got 80 percentage. So since that teacher told my mother in front of me that if I really wanted to do something, then I can do it and I can reach up to the sky. So that lines and that words, it was like to my heart. It touched my heart. Like, okay, someone is there to trust me and someone is there to have faith in me that yes, I can also do the thing. So from that day, I started, working so hard, so hard, so hard. And then, like this, I have increased like 60, 70, 80, then 85 also, 90 also. So all those, numbers, I have touched it. And later on, when I was in grade 10, what happened is like my sister in the same class, I have the maths, she has the maths, and I still, maths, I was not up to like 95 or 80 something. I was just thinking that I should get the pass marks because maths was not my cup of tea. So I was just thinking like if I get the less marks and I will be fail. And if my sister she gets the more marks, then in that case she'll go to the 11th class and I will be in the same 10th class. And we have the common friends, like they'll start teasing me like you are in the grade 10 itself and your sister has gone to the promoted to the grade 11. So what I did, I worked so hard for 2 months and all. And ultimately, at the end of the board exam, when the result came, I got 90 marks out of 100 in maths.
Why?
So imagine, it is like I was also shocked, what, 90 marks? Because I never in my whole life, I think if I calculate, all together, grade 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks also all together, if I calculate, it will be never ever like 90. But during board exams, luckily I got the 90 marks. So that is what about me actually, how I was. But now I'm totally changed. I'm like, I completed so many degrees and all with the good marks. So it's like, yes, it's about liking and disliking, but your liking is basically the physics, right? So physics chapter you like the most, which is like very good part. My thing was like physics and maths, I was not liking at all. But yes, now slowly and gradually after school, I started liking and loving it. And now I'm okay. I guess I can solve some maths sum also now. So before I was like, no, no maths, no maths. So, but it's good from your side that you love maths and keep on doing it. Okay, keep on, practicing maths and physics a lot because when you come to your grade 7, 8, 9, 10, so many questions you are going to have for the maths and for the physics as well. Yeah, Rishit, yeah, Rishit, yeah, Rishit.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I kept a message. Till now, I can't join, ma'am. Actually,
Last year your class timing is 5:50.
yes, ma'am. I can't join there.
But you were
Okay,
joining at 5:30.
okay,
Understood. That I dropped the message also to you that you should join at 5:50.
okay, ma'am.
10 questions or 20 questions?
It's up to you because you are going to ask. And Advika, today we are going to have the quiz where you should ask the question related to the chapter electricity and circuit, right, Rishit?
Yes, ma'am.
So you should ask your friends, you should ask some questions, and your friends will be asking you some question. You should answer it immediately then and there, and the marks will be allotted. Whosoever will be the winner, they will be awarded some prize.
Like me.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Devesh. Okay, everybody turn on the video. Still, we have some 3 minutes. We'll wait for the others to join, and then we will be starting the
Ma'am,
quiz.
ma'am, when I was searching for the page number, it was like 187 to 188.
I can't get you, Advika.
To open the chapter page number, it was showing like 187 to 188. One page chapter.
No, no, it is like a very lengthy chapter actually. Oh, so we'll wait for a few minutes more, and then I'll be starting the quiz.
Today I have holiday in my school.
For what reason?
Because on Saturday it was my annual day, so today rest.
Oh, great.
Every Saturday.
So you have participated in your annual day function?
Yes, ma'am. Dance.
Dance? You did not send us the video, or you did not show us the dance.
I'm shy.
Okay, we'll be waiting for your dance, okay?
Ma'am,
So we all are going to enjoy. See, Advika is there, Devesh is there, Lasa is there, I am there. We all are going to enjoy your dance.
Ma'am, they already uploaded in YouTube.
So send me the link. I'll also see you dancing. How you will look while dancing.
Ma'am, full annual day link, full annual day video they kept on.
No, I don't want to see the full annual day. I just want to see your dance, your steps.
Ma'am, it's at last.
Okay.
Ma'am, that's why I'm drinking this fruity. They gave on that day, I kept it in fridge.
You have just 1 minute to drink it, okay? Not more than 1 minute. After that,
ma'am.
okay, then throw it.
Ma'am, in that 1 minute, shall I do some research?
Kindly do it.
Oh. Now, what will be inside this fruity box content?
Juice.
Very good debate.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kshitij. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Great. I hope you all are ready now with the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was so busy, ma'am. I had to go out and I had to practice for a competition, ma'am, suddenly.
What competition? What competition?
So, a backers competition.
So you'll ignore this, huh?
Yeah, I don't have time to do it.
So?
It's
How
Rishit.
can you do it?
Okay, Kshitij, do you have the book with you?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Take 2 minutes, no problem. He'll ask from book only, ma'am. He'll ask easy questions.
He will make the easy questions also complicated. Don't worry.
That's why I'll not answer it, ma'am. On Eastern, I'll leave the meeting and after I'll join and also network.
Great idea.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll tell you who all are going to ask from whom. Okay. Advika will be asking from Devesh.
Asking to or asking from?
Asking from. This is from part,
will
okay?
ask her.
Wait. Advika will be asking from Devesh. Devesh will be asking from Lasya. Lasya will be, good evening. Lasya will be asking from Kshitij. Kshitij will be asking from Advika. And then Rishit will be asking from Anoop. Anoop will be asking from No, one second.
Rishit.
Wait. Rishit is left out. Divyesh is left out and Rishit is left out, right?
Ma'am,
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hriday should
Charvik is
ask.
also left.
1, 2, 3. Divyesh is over, Lasa over, Kshitej, Advika, Charvik, Divyesh, and then Rishit. Fine. Let me Advika from Divyesh from Lasya from Kshitej, Kshitej from Advika, Rishit from Charvik, Charvik from Divyesh. Now Rishit is left. From Rishit, I will be asking.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, I was getting a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
You're telling 2 times, ma'am. I was.
Advika will be asking from Divyesh. Divyesh will be asking questions from you. You will be asking from Kshitej. Kshitej will be asking the questions from Advika. Then Rishit will be asking from Charvik Anup. Charvik will be asking from Divyesh. And from Rishit, I will be asking.
Ma'am, means
Okay.
you will ask questions, I should answer.
Definitely. Okay. Now, Advika, are you ready with your questions?
Once again, I will open the page number.
So, you will have only 1 minute, okay? Not more than 1 minute, or maybe we can say 1.5 minutes, okay? 1.5 minutes I'll be giving you. The moment when I say start, Advika should keep on saying the questions. So Advika will be asking one question. You should not take more than 30 seconds, not more than that. If you take more than that, the time will get up. -2 marking will be there. Okay? Or I can say yes.
Or else, like if, for example, if teacher is asking, he'll ask the whole class.
Wait, in that case, if you are not aware, to everybody these instructions are, if anyone is not aware for any of the questions and all, you should just say pass. Because if you are taking time, it will be -2 mark, okay? Rishit, it is your responsibility to write down who are saying pass, okay? So for example, Divyesh has said pass. Twice he said pass. So write pass 2 times, okay? Which will be means -1, -1, okay? If he is not saying pass, he's just waiting for thinking lot. In that case, -2 we will be doing for him for one time. -2 for one time, pass -1.
Ma'am, would have
Ma'am, so
read.
it means passing is better, ma'am. If you do pass,
Correct.
it's -1.
Correct. If you do pass, then it is better in that case.
I'll pass all.
Okay. Wait. Let me just 1 minute. I'll just see the time, and then when I say start, Advika should ask the question from Devesh. Devesh, you can unmute yourself so that time should not get wasted.
No, again after that, ma'am, I cannot unmute. You should not say.
Wait, still it is 55. We'll start at 56 sharp.
Ma'am, you can write marks now.
Yes, I will be adding the marks, but you
Ma'am,
should write the pass.
Ma'am, we should not wait for the answer. We should just say questions. Keep on telling.
No. You have to say question and then you have to wait at least for some 2 to 3 seconds because the child has to answer.
It will ask who, ma'am?
Advika.
She's
Okay, start.
asking.
Advika, start.
Yes, ma'am. Name a device that directly converts solar energy into electrical energy.
Yeah, solar panels.
Unmute yourself. Advika.
Ma'am, you have to make again.
Wait. Advika, you should not, mute yourself in between. Continuously. If you have put this question, he has said the answer. Then second question. Then again he will answer. So like this for 1.5 minutes, you have to keep on asking him the question and he will be keep on answering. Okay?
Ma'am, one more question.
Not only one question, you have to ask at least some 10 to 15 questions.
Okay, ma'am. Name
Okay,
the
just wait. Again, we will be starting because time, I cannot write the time in that case.
Ma'am, 1
So
minute.
this first question, I'm not going to consider the question number 1 now. Start now. Start again.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
What kind of current is generated by a dry cell?
Can you repeat?
What kind of current is generated by a dry cell?
Pass.
Next, Udvika, next question.
Okay. Name a device that directly converts solar energy into electrical energy.
Solar panels.
Name the on-off mechanism of in any electrical circuit.
Can you repeat? I can't understand.
Name the on-off mechanism in an electrical circuit.
Which electrical switch?
No?
Next.
Which material is used for making the handle of a screwdriver and pillar?
Plastic.
Name the material that is commonly used
Time up.
in
Ma'am,
Time up. Time up. Time up.
ma'am, she's not saying correct, wrong, nothing she's saying, ma'am.
Wait. That I'll check it. Okay, but that I'll check it whether she is correct or whether she is checking or not checking. That is not her part. I will be doing that. Okay.
Ma'am,
So Devesh has answered 3 questions, and I think 1 pass was there, right, Rishit?
ma'am, 1 pass and 1 more is time up.
1 more.
Time up, ma'am.
That's what, na? So only 1 you should consider. Time was up. That is secondary. Okay. So 3 questions he has answered. Now coming to the second pair, Devesh, you should ask from Lasya. Okay. Lasya and Devesh will be unmuting now. Okay. Once I'll say start, then only you should start Devesh asking from Lasya, and Lasya should not take much time to answer that.
Okay.
So instead of 1 minute, actually I've converted into 2 minutes now. For Devesh also it was 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, start. Devesh.
Which part of electric bulb produces light?
Can you repeat again?
Which part of electric bulb produces light?
Which part of?
Electrical bulb produces light.
If you are not aware, say pass because you are wasting your time, Lasya.
Okay. What is the filament of a bulb made of?
It's it is made up of
Pass, Lasya. Go for the next one, Devesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Time up.
Used to
Time up. So 2 questions were asked. You have not answered anything, Lasya, and it was 1 pass also in that case, right? Rishit?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, 1 pass.
now 1 pass and 1 time up.
Time up we are not going to calculate that. Okay. Adrit, you will be asking question from Ashwat, and Ashwat, you should ask question from Adrit. Okay, be ready with your some 10 to 15 questions from the chapter electricity and circuit.
okay.
Ma'am, it's not like not that time up, ma'am. Like she didn't told pass.
Okay, understood now. Understood. Okay, fine.
Divesh also for 1 question he didn't told pass.
Fine, understood. Devesh have done. Okay, Lasya. Now, Lasya will be asking from Kshitej.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second, I'll say when then only you should start.
Okay.
Start.
Why does the position of cells affect the working of a torchlight?
If we keep the terminals connected correctly, then only the electricity can flow through the torch or bulb.
Next question. Hurry up, Lasya. Hurry up.
Okay, ma'am. What is a circuit?
A circuit is a path for electricity to pass through, and a switch is used to break it or complete it.
Next question.
Why do bulbs and cells have 2 terminals?
So that electricity should pass through one direction to another, which is positive to negative.
Time up. Fine. So no pass, and he has answered 3 questions, right? And last year your questions were good actually. So and Kshitej has also answered all the 3 questions in a well way. So though he was not ready with that, but yes, he did it. Okay, coming to Shritesh now. Shritesh, you should ask from Advika.
Okay, is
Okay,
water
wait,
conductor of
wait. I should say, right? I should say. We'll wait for the time, okay? Let it get converted into a complete fraction.
Directly you'll ask for. Will not take ma'am's call.
should I start?
No, wait. Start.
Is water a conductor of electricity?
What?
Is water a conductor of
Yes.
Okay, correct. Does a filament have thick or thin wires?
Thin.
What?
Thin.
I'm wrong. Metals are what of electricity?
Conductors.
Okay. Is air a conductor of electricity?
No.
The cell which has a metal cap, which terminal of the cell is that?
Positive.
What is the filament made of?
Wires.
No. Like, it is made out of wires, but what metal?
I don't know that. Pass.
Okay. What gas is there inside a bulb?
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Pass gas.
What is fuse?
Time up. Time up. Great, Kshitij. Great. Short, crisp, crystal clear questions and all. And Advika
Ma'am.
also has answered so well. And I think still, if I calculate Divesh, Lasya, Kshitij, and Advika have answered the maximum number of questions till now, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions were asked. Out of those, 2 were passed and one was wrong actually. So the total is for her is 4, right? 4. And Shritesh, you answered 3 questions. Lasya did not answer anything. Divesh has answered 3 questions, but 1 pass was there, right? For that, it is -1, so 2. So Divesh 2, Shritesh 3, Lasya it is not opened account. Advika 4. Yeah, Advik?
Should we tell correct or incorrect?
Yes, you have to actually. You have to say correct or incorrect also, like whether it is correct or wrong. Okay.
Ma'am, Adrit also joined.
Yeah, Adrit will be asking. Ashwat, are you there? Turn on the video, Ashwat.
2 people joined.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, Rishit will be asking from Charvik, right? So I'll be just telling you when you need to start, Rishit. Okay. They will be just waiting. So Divesh 2, Lasya no, Rishitesh 3, Advika 4. Now we need to see who is going to win actually. Shritesh, be ready with the question you need to ask from Rishit also.
Ma'am, shall I start?
Start now, Rishit.
The lead of a pencil is conductor or insulator?
Conductor.
And what is an electric shock?
Like the shock which is given by electricity, and it's very powerful also because of electric shock. Like there are some chances where we can die.
Okay. Name any one advantage of dry cell?
Hurry up, Rishit, pass. He said pass. Next question you ask.
Okay. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to cell. What could be the reason?
Like because it's open circuit.
No, the circuit is closed.
Okay. Maybe the connection is not good and maybe it's weak. Also, like there are chances that this wire is not good, or like bulb is not good, or any other things are not good.
Okay. Device can allow the electricity or can break the current flow.
Can you repeat the question?
Which device can break or allow the electricity to flow in a path?
Pass.
Okay. How are cells
Time up,
arranged in a
time
top?
up, time up, time up. So, Charvik has, 2 pass and 3 questions he has answered. Out of those 3, 1 question I will be giving only half marks because it was not appropriate. So total it means it will be after 2 pass, it will be somewhere
Ma'am, how many questions were asked?
1.5. Okay,
How many
1.5.
questions were asked, ma'am?
You have asked 3, for 5 questions you have asked, 2 he has passed, and 1 answer was incomplete, actually not appropriate. So that is why like the result is 1.5 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to Charvik, you need to ask from Divesh. Okay, the moment when I say you need to ask. Now both of you can unmute yourself so that it becomes easier actually.
Ma'am, when should I?
After this.
From can I start?
No, wait, let the time, turn to 9 actually. And again, the turn will be coming. Those who are done, children, prepare more questions. Your turn will be coming again. And you should say whether the answer given by the child is correct or incorrect also.
Hi, ma'am.
Can I
Good
start?
evening, Ritesh. No, wait. We'll be starting. Wait. Yes, you can start now, Charvik.
SI unit of electric current is.
Can you repeat?
SI unit of electric current is.
Voltage? Watts?
It's wrong. Okay. The metal which has high melting point is.
Tungsten.
Okay. What is an open circuit?
Open circuit is a circuit which has something incomplete in the circuit. For example, like a battery or a wire.
Okay. So what is a closed circuit?
A closed circuit is a circuit which electricity passes through it and it has all the components of a circuit.
What are the gases present in a bulb?
Can you repeat?
What are the gases present in a bulb?
Insert gas,
Inert gases.
inert gas.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What happens if we break the glass which is present in the bulb, and will it form a fire? And will it burn?
I think it will form a fire because when it breaks, the gas will go outside and the filament will be fused.
Yeah. Okay, but that only. Like what happens? The
Time
neon
up.
argon.
Ma'am is explaining, ma'am. He is explaining the chapter.
So he has actually, Charvik has done a good job actually. He has asked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 questions he have asked. Out of those 6, he did not. Devesh has not passed anything, which means 1 question was wrong. So he has got 5 points. So now Devesh is the highest point.
5 plus 2, 7.
For what 2 plus?
Ma'am, because first I answered a few questions right.
But he gave a wrong answer, no, ma'am. So -2.
No. If you have answered wrong, I'm not giving any minus actually. The first question was wrong for you, right? And after that, all answers were correct. So I have given marks for it. 5 marks are there.
But I'm telling, should we include the questions that Advika asked me?
You can actually. Okay, no. That questions I am. Okay, actually, you have got 2 chances actually.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I also got
Ah.
confused.
Okay, you have got 2 chances. Okay. So okay, we'll see what we are going to do then. Okay, in that case, what we are going to finalize. Maybe we'll have another final round for you then in that case. Okay. We'll move ahead to Adrit and Ashwath now. First of all, Adrit, you should ask from Ashwath, and then Ashwath, you should ask from Adrit. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I made only 5 questions.
So you need time for that?
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Hurry up. Okay. We all will be waiting for 2 minutes. Let him prepare Ashwath and Adrit few more questions to ask.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Then
Rishit.
rinse the water.
Kshitij, are you ready? You can ask from Rishit in that case.
Ma'am, I can't find any more questions. I only found 6 or 7.
Yeah.
That's okay. 6 and 7. He's not going to answer that. Kshitij.
Okay, ma'am. Like there are so many questions which these people ask, ma'am. That's why.
So you can repeat, no problem in that. You can repeat the same question also because might be he is aware, might be he is not aware of those same answers.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. Our main motive is like just we have to, make sure that he just gives the wrong answer in whatever cases. You just twist and turn the question. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. When
Wait, right?
viruses
Wait. Let me, see the time and then we'll be starting. I'll write till then Rishit's name.
Ma'am, RA is 30.
Very good. Thank you.
First letter capital. Start.
Start. Kshitij, you can start.
when wires are joined, a tape is normally used to cover the joint. Is the tape made of insulating or conducting or both?
It's made of insulating.
Correct. Okay. What is stored inside an electric cell?
Inside an electric cell, there are some chemicals which produce energy.
Okay, correct. Name the device that produces electricity when sunlight falls on it other than solar
Solar
panel.
panel.
Other than solar panel.
Yeah. Fast.
Okay. How can you test if a given substance is a conductor or an insulator?
By passing electricity into it.
Actually wrong. Like it's
Pass.
not exactly correct. Which of these is safe to experiment with? Electricity used in a torch or that is used to light a bulb in home?
Touch.
Correct. A student, while making a circuit to make a bulb glow using a dry cell, connected the plastic covering of the wire to the cell instead of the metal wire inside it. Will the bulb glow?
No, because of the dry cell.
Actually, it is no, but it's not because of the dry cell.
Because of the metal wires. Like
Time up. That's okay. We'll consider it. That we'll consider his answer as the correct one for the last one. Okay. So Kshitij, you have asked him some 6 questions. Out of 6, 1 pass was there and 1 was wrong. So his total is 3.
Ma'am?
Yes, total 6 questions were asked. Total 6
Teacher.
questions were asked. 1 was passed and 1
Teacher.
was wrong. Yeah,
Teacher.
4.
you told
Yes.
you.
Four.
Teacher, actually my exams are starting from March 5th and in annual exam they are not giving any gaps like for preparation. And only science chapter has around 20, I'm telling 11 chapters. So I'm preparing, so I didn't make any questions.
Okay, Ritesh, no problem. Okay, Adit, now you're ready?
Ma'am, 7 questions.
That's okay. Enough. Okay, Adit, you should wait. When I say start, then only you should start, okay? Ashwath, kindly unmute so that you can answer.
All the best.
Thank you, bro.
Welcome. Not yet. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 59, 60. Start.
Start, Adit.
A bulb lights up only in
Dark place.
wrong answer. It's a closed circuit. Leather is conductor or insulator?
What?
Leather is conductor or insulator?
Insulator.
Correct. A device that breaks the circuit is called
Switch or fuse.
combination of 2 or more cells is called
Battery.
correct. Filament is made up of
Tungsten.
is
Adit
there
asked.
conductor or insulator? Is there conductor or insulator?
Tungsten.
Air.
Air.
Insulator.
Correct.
Filament of a torch bulb is conductor. Wrong answer. It's a thin wire.
Red wire.
Time up, time up. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 questions were asked. Out of those 7, 2 were wrong. So, it means 5.
Yeah.
So, highest number of questions are being answered by Ashwath. So, Devesh, we have got the other one. So, if anyone is there apart from Ashwath who is going to answer more than that,
Ma'am,
that
next
person will
round-
be the winner.
ma'am, in next round, Adrit will ask me, ma'am, please. Ma'am.
Now, Ashwath should ask from Adrit, okay? The moment I say you should ask, then only you should start asking.
Let us know.
Start.
Instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. True or false? False. Electric cell converts dash energy into dash. Chemical energy to electric energy. Electric energy. Electricity. Oh. Electric bulb converts dash into dash and dash. Pass. What is fuse? Pass. Name 5 parts of a bulb. Torch. Torch.
Any 5 parts, Adrit? What all components it has?
Tungsten.
Keep on saying what are components or whatever you are aware of.
Pass.
Okay, time up, time up, time up. So I think I should get some marks from you, Adrit, because 3 pass, 1 wrong, and 1 right. Right. So in that case, it is somewhere -2. -2, -3 in fact, because 3 pass are there, no? So -3, no, -2 because 1 right is also there, -2.
Ma'am, again from first. Ma'am, this time Adrit will ask me.
So everybody has answered now. Everybody has got the chance. So I'll just repeat the marks. Devesh 2, Shutesh 3, Advika 4, Charvik 1.5. Devesh 2 will be counting as Adrit -2, Ashwath 5, Rishit 4. Now, Ashwath, if everybody says that this round should be the final round, you will be the winner. But if they say that we should conduct one more round, in that case, are you okay with it?
No, ma'am, I'm getting bored of this rounds, ma'am. Fine.
Huh?
Ma'am, ask Shritesh to leave the class, ma'am. We'll play, ma'am. Well, let's play another round.
So, in that case,
Can you ask from all the questions will be repeated, ma'am. There's no other
Ma'am,
question.
I have 15 questions. I could answer.
Mama
I
has so
could
many questions.
no, I'll tell you, Shritesh, you know what is the main problem is like, it was given last week, right? So last week till now, you should have prepared, I think, more than 100 questions by yourself.
Yes, sir.
By reading out the book, by maybe from the library or maybe from some other any other source. You have the good internet also, right?
Google.
The thing is, none of you have done the homework. That is the main problem, that you have the limited, 6, 7 or 8 or more, maybe 10 questions are there. Otherwise,
ma'am,
so
it's
many questions.
Ma'am, I have 15,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that is the main problem, that we are repeating the questions again and again because the homework was not done by you all.
By Shritesh
Correct?
also.
Ma'am, can you ask from any other chapter?
And this time you
Okay.
ask, ma'am. This time you ask us everyone.
So I declare from my
my
side, I declare Ashwath as a winner. And Ashwath, now, as we have discussed in the last previous classes, between chocolate or 200 rupees or one thing was there, one pen. Out of these 3 things, what you would like to have from my side?
Velvet chocolate.
One chocolate is enough.
From Delhi till
Okay.
Hyderabad, it will melt. How you eat?
So you send me your address. I'll just parcel that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so we can have a round of applause for Ashwath? So he's a winner for today. All right.
For
So
first
now,
level, ma'am. Second level now.
second level, you should actually work for that actually.
Ma'am,
Because
I
Ma'am, I
already
could
worked,
give
ma'am.
Ashwat chocolate myself, ma'am.
Advika has prepared now so many questions, I guess.
Ma'am, give us 10 minutes time, so we'll prepare, ma'am, please, ma'am.
Okay, we can do one thing then in that case. You can take time. You prepare tough question actually. You should not prepare open circuit, closed circuit, what filament it's made up of. So tough question you should prepare so that your whatever the competition you have, they should not answer that. Because see, Adrit has prepared a simple question, Ashwath has given more answer. And those questions were very small, right? Define maybe closed circuit, define open circuit. What happened? He has taken less time to say it, and Ashwath has taken less time to answer it. In
That's why I
that,
became
because of
winner.
that case, he has become the winner. So you should make sure that the question should be little lengthy. The answer should be also lengthy so that more time you can waste actually for your competent.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood what I'm trying to say?
Can we take questions from the exercises bit?
Anywhere you can take questions.
Ma'am,
You
can
are
we
not.
take questions
Am I
from
taking-
grade
am I
7?
taking
Search
sister's
from
tenth
No,
class?
no, no.
Am I taking
No.
my sister's 10th class?
And can we take it from Google?
No, you can take. You have to take only from grade 6, not from grade 11, not from grade
Not
10.
grade 6 only on.
Ma'am, my
Grade
sister
6, electricity and circuit only. No other chapter should
Ma'am,
be
my
there.
sister is
Okay.
grade 6 only, but before 5 years, not now.
Okay.
So I'll take her book. ma'am.
Advika, you are showing something? Okay. So take your time, prepare the questions. You might have the reference book also. Open that and you'll be getting so many questions. In
Ma'am,
between the paragraph also you have so many, points are there.
ma'am, you give the order, ma'am, so that according to that
From that
person we
reference
create.
book only I took
So
first
okay,
question now.
according to that person you are going to prepare. Okay. In that case, well, okay. I'll give you the order now. What will be the order? So that you can prepare accordingly.
Other
Hmm.
Rishit to Ritesh to Charvika.
Now it will be opposite. Advika will be asking from Shritesh. Shritesh will be asking from Ashwath. Ashwath will be asking from Charvik. Charvik will be asking from Lasya. Lasya will be asking from Adrit. Adrit
Excuse me,
will
ma'am.
be, yeah.
Mom, can I ask last year?
No. Adrit will be asking from Divyesh.
Man, then what I should do?
Divyesh will be asking from, now who is left out?
Rishit.
Okay, Divyesh will be asking from Rishit.
Yes.
And then Rishit will be asking from Advika. If I think I have completed the cycle now. Is there anyone who is left out?
No.
I think all the names I have covered. Advika, Shritesh, Ashwath, Charvik, Lasya, Adrit, Divyesh. Rishit is 2 times, I guess. No,
Huh?
1 time only. 1 time only. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 children. Correct? So now it is all settled. Lasya, prepare tough questions for Adrit. Adrit, prepare tough questions for Divyesh. Divyesh, you need to prepare very, very tough questions for Rishit.
Huh?
Rishit, prepare some simple questions for Advika. Advika, prepare tough questions for Shritesh. Shritesh, prepare tough questions from Ashwath so that you can ask from. And Ashwath, prepare some simple questions for Charvik. Charvik, again, some simple questions for Lasya. Lasya, tough questions from Adrit.
Ma'am, you told Advika, I should ask Advika, no, ma'am?
Rishit from...
Mom,
Yes.
who will I ask?
No, sorry, ma'am. Advika should ask
Advika,
me.
you will be asking from Shritesh. So Advika, keep in mind, Shritesh is all-rounder. You should ask him very lengthy questions, which will take time.
Mom,
Okay, Advika?
ask me.
Give it easy.
Yes, Advika?
Ma'am, by thinking, Sritesh pet should be burnt.
Yeah, Ashwath, what you were saying?
Ma'am, my son's science sir noted that electric cell was invented by any person.
Uncle.
Can
So you
I
can
ask
write that.
that
Yes,
question?
yes, 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 yes. We also have discussed that question there in the in the PPT also.
Electric cell.
You
Ma'am,
can
what
ask.
magnet,
See,
ma'am?
electricity and circuit. Anything you can ask. Anything. It's not like you should ask only that. And Ashwath, you have told to everybody now they can also search and ask. They can answer. They can answer anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy.
Okay. So now make the questions. Prepare the questions. Lasya, ready? Have you prepared, Lasya?
Yep, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then others also should do it. And children, this time you should say whether whosoever is answering, they have given the right answer or wrong answer. It should not be just, you are asking, he's answering. You should say correct, wrong, whatever the answers are.
Mom, can you ask them to draw?
No. That cannot be done actually. Anoop, you need to prepare the paper. Questions you need to prepare. Rishit, you need to, mute yourself. Rishit, I think last year also.
Ma'am, I think it's from last year because I was muted.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I prepare like 10, 11 questions?
Yeah. More than that also you can prepare.
Okay, ma'am. I have like already prepared seven questions.
Just make sure that question should be little lengthy so that you can take more time. And the
Yes,
answers, whatever the second person is giving, they should also take time.
ma'am.
And they should say more pass actually. Because when they say more pass, they'll be like more negative marking they'll be getting.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I created many hard questions,
Great.
but they are related to sixth class.
Fine. We only want the sixth class one.
Ma'am, I created 20 questions.
Great.
I'm done.
Okay. So children, have you got the final exam date sheet?
Mom, no.
And we did not got yet.
No, mom. Yes, mom, we did not got yet.
Okay. Maybe then maybe you have
Ma'am,
your
I
exams
got
in the month
ma'am.
of March.
When is
Ashwat, when do you have?
Exams are starting from 28th.
And ending on?
This month.
Ends on?
March around 20.
Okay.
Mine start on March 7th and end on March 20.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
same.
this time
Soumya, you also have the same? 20 March ending?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Same, ma'am.
when we went to computer lab, like we saw paper showing like the final exam schedule, ma'am. So this time when we went again, we'll check it and I'll say it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Lasa, you were saying something?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
We has in 28th we has science expo, ma'am.
Oh, great. In the school?
In the school, ma'am, I want to tell about the electric circuit only, ma'am.
Oh, fine. Great. So have you prepared for it?
Yeah, my friend is doing bulb, and I was doing a bulb. Means means a house, and street
Okay.
lights.
And so like you are making a model kind of thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
How the bulb works? We are doing like that, ma'am.
So you are going to demonstrate, you are going to explain that, and you're going to show it also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Done, ma'am.
Advika, I think you are saying something. You need to unmute yourself.
Ma'am will
Okay.
start.
Ma'am will start, ma'am, the term, ma'am.
Now we are not going to start.
Hi, ma'am.
We'll be starting now tomorrow.
For
Children, I have
today,
seen the you. How many of you have not attempted the yesterday Sunday's test? Did you message me some reason?
Ma'am, I attempt, but I
Yes or
got
no?
Ma'am, I was away from my parents, ma'am. I could not tell them to message.
Okay, Adrit.
Ma'am, actually yesterday I went out.
That's okay. See, you can go out, you can do whatever you want to do, but do message actually so that I'll get to know what is the reason. Okay, because I might be thinking maybe knowingly you are not attending it.
Ma'am, I
Fine.
was
So
in
if
a
you
competition, and my parents weren't there, so that's why I can't tell them.
okay. Next time, if in case like you were busy for some or the other reason, just ask them to message me maybe a day prior, or maybe on Friday itself you can message me that so and so reason are there. Nice reason that for so and so reason you are not attending the test. All right. And coming Sunday we are going to have the subjective test, and you are going to have the chapter, same chapter whatever we are studying right now. Okay, so prepare well yourself and make sure that you make the PDF and then send me. Don't send me the pictures and all because it's very tough to check the pictures and all. So make a proper PDF, send me the answer sheet so that I can correct and I can send you the answer sheet back. Okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Ridesh.
teacher,
Okay, Shravik.
teacher, I might miss subjective test, teacher,
Why?
due to my exams because today is 5th. Next will be subjective test. The preparation is there, teacher. From social, if you take our science has 11 chapters and our social has around 14 to 16 chapters. Math has 10 chapters.
See, very small you kids are, right? So much of burden, everybody is giving to you all.
I simply
11
told
chapter,
teacher,
14 chapters,
teacher,
16 chapters.
teacher, actually they should give PA3 and the portion now completed. But they even added half yearly portion, PA3 portion, annual exam portion. Everything they combined and gave us.
yes,
No
ma'am.
problem. This is actually for your betterment only. They
After
are
that
doing it.
pariksha pe
And
touch
for
chalo,
us
teacher.
also.
After
Haan.
that, the teachers becomes like anything strict teacher.
Fine, fine. Okay, no
Daily after
problem.
writing that exam, I thought I'll sleep after coming home. Because they give
Fine.
one holiday, no?
Mom,
Okay. Yes, Advika?
Mama made
Sure.
short questions, but that are so tricky.
Great. So tomorrow we are going to have it. Make sure that you prepare a long question so that the second person should not answer. I hope Advika Kshitij is not going to answer any of the questions.
Ma'am, I
I
made
made
few
five
questions
to
that
six questions.
questions people will just say pass, ma'am.
Okay, Kshitij also has a long questions which like I think Ashwath will be saying pass, pass, pass in that
Now
case.
I made 12
Ma'am, I
questions.
also have
In that,
tricky
5 questions
questions.
are very difficult.
Okay, Charvik, in that case, Lasa will not be able to answer.
Ma'am, I made all short questions. But
So Rishit, in that case, Advika will be answering and will be getting the prize.
Mom, basically, I want to ask Lasya.
Ma'am, you declare the winner today only, ma'am.
No. Today's winner and tomorrow's winner all together combined will be one winner. Okay? Okay, children. We'll meet tomorrow.
ma'am, today who got the second highest marks? Ma'am?
Second highest is Advika and Rishit. So today's marks will be added on to tomorrow's marks and then the final conclusion will be there. Okay? So children, we'll meet you
We'll
tomorrow
ask
now.
Ashwath tomorrow.
Fine. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Teachers will ask.
Bye-bye.
Mama.